Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada. And I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, GBP USD. So in this video, I'll be recommending few stocks for 11th March 2021. So this analysis is for 11th March only. I'll be coming again tomorrow, or you'll see me tomorrow again if you've subscribed to my channel with tomorrow's analysis. And please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis because I bring videos just before the market opens so that it can help you to take decision and earn money. So the first stock for the day is Lloyd's Banking Group, and you can see that the current market price is 40.780. If I zoom in the chart, you can see that there is a support available at 40.72 and the stock is almost trading at the support level and it has formed a doji kind of a pattern. So generally this kind of a candlestick pattern signifies that there is an indication in the market. Okay. So therefore what should be your strategy then? Your strategy for the day is okay, buy above 41.24 level and you can short the stock below 40.50 level. Okay, short the stock below 40.5 and buy above 41.27. Okay, if you get the stock between this range, okay, then you do not need to trade. Only buy above the level I mentioned and short the stock below 40.50 level. Okay. In case there is a gap up open, wait for 30 minutes, just see how the price is reacting and how the price is doing. If you see that the price is comfortable, then okay, buy. And if you see that market is struggling, then wait. Okay, try to understand the market psychology. So the next stock for the day is CRH. For CRH, you can see that yesterday it has closed at 3414 level and there was some huge price rejection from below. Day for yesterday also there was some price rejection from below. But there is a resistance at 3437 level. Okay. Considering this yesterday's candle and day for yesterday's candle, we can see that their market is not ready to go down. And the previous candle you can check. Just look at the size, which means that buyers are still present in the market. So what should be our strategy for the day? Our strategy is we will buy the stock if we get above 3437 level. Okay. If there is a gap up open, wait for 15-30 minutes, and if there is a breakout during the session, wait for 15-30 minutes. Just see how the price is doing. Okay. If the market is trading comfortably enough, then you can buy. Let the resistance become the support, then only initiate the buy order. The next stock for the day is Mondi, MNDI. You can see that it has made a hammer pattern yesterday and it is trading at this 1817 level. Okay, 1817 level. So our strategy for today is simple. If we get the stock above 1817 level, then we will go for a buy. Our target will be this 1837. 1837 is the target. Buy above 1817 for MNDI, Mondi. So the next stock is SMT, Scottish Mortgage Investment. You can see that a Scottish Mortgage Investment or SMT was in downtrend, and day for yesterday it has made a big bullish candle, and yesterday it has made a doji. Okay, it has made a doji yesterday. As mentioned earlier on the video, doji signifies that there is no trend in the market. Market is an indecision right now. So what should be the strategy? Buy above 1153 and sell below 1117. Okay, buy above this, sell below this level. And if you sell the stock, then this will be your target 1098. And I don't think so I need to mention again, if there is a gap up open, wait for 30 minutes, and if there is a breakout, wait for 15-30 minutes. Let the support become the resistance, or vice versa. Okay, just remember these words. Confirmation is very important. So the next stock is BLND, British Land Company. You can see that British Land Company was trying to cross the resistance day for yesterday, but it failed, and ultimately it made a big bearish candle yesterday. Okay, so after this candle, we will look for shorting opportunity below 493.4 level. Yesterday it closed at 496.5 level and made a lower of 493.5 level. So we will look for shorting opportunities below 493.5 or 493.4 level, and our target will be 485. So this is the last stock for today. It's Glencore. Glencore, you can see that it is trading right above the support on the daily chart. Yesterday it made a spinning top kind of a pattern. Day before yesterday was a spinning top or doji kind of a pattern. Before that a hammer kind of a pattern, and see again a doji. Okay, so there is an indication in the market. Still, the stock is managing somehow to give closing above the daily support level. So that's a good sign. Okay, which means that there are some buyers present. There are some buyers present who are not allowing the stock to cross this level, 281.35 level. 281.35 level has become very crucial for the stock. Very crucial. So you can buy. You can go for a buy signal above this, 287.25. Okay, so if you get the stock above 287.25 level, it's a buy. Okay. And in case you get the stock below this 280 this sorry 281.5. Okay, in case you get a stock let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, this 281.25 is the support. Okay, so if you get the stock below 281.25 level, wait for 30 minutes. Okay, wait for 30 minutes because there is some extreme support available. Okay, wait for 30 minutes and just see how the price is doing. Okay, if there is a grab down open, just see how the price is doing. If you after 30 minutes also, if you see that okay, it is trading comfortably and it is not in a position to go up or some price rejection, okay, then you can short the stock below 281.25 level. But make sure that the sellers are dominating the market if you are selling the stock below 281.25 level. Otherwise, if you go for a buy order, you can go for a buy order above this. Okay. But do remember there is good support, extreme support available at 281.25 level for the stock. So these are the stocks that you can trade or you need to watch on 11th March 2021. Okay. Hopefully you've understood, and if you liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And thank you so much. If you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. See you tomorrow with tomorrow's analysis. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Good luck. Bye bye.